Good morning, Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. We're looking at the Aussie this week. Currency wise, we've been following this. This is a bit of background. We're looking at the weekly chart here. This pair sold off from 2011 down to the middle of this year, and we bottomed out, let me see, at 88.46. So we've been in quite a decent bear trend, but we managed to recover significantly until recently, up until the end of October. You can see that the 38.2% retracement of this whole move down was at 96.99 on a weekly basis. We just peaked above there, but we never managed to close above it. So that gave us an indication that the bounce in the bear trend was over, and we continued lower. Flick onto the daily chart now just to get an idea of what's going on here. So the bounce, as I say, in the bear trend looks like it has finished. What happens next? I'm just going to try and draw a trend line on here if I can find how to do it. Okay, so we'll take this point here. So you can see we had something of a bull trend. Once we came down, we bounced off that line. But yesterday, or this morning in fact, we've clearly broken through it. And what is also important is the 100-day moving average, which is at 92.76. This has been broken today. We're just breaking below it now as we speak, actually, heading into the 92.60 area. So this sort of confirming that, one, we've broken the uptrend, and two, another bearish signal as we dip below the 100-day moving average. You see the 100-day moving average held quite nicely on these three days, which was, let me see, 11th to the 14th, 12th to the 14th of November. So it did its job there, but now that we've broken below it, in fact, you saw it to do its job here, but now we've broken below it. That's looking pretty significant. And of course, the close below 92.76 tonight will add pressure. A bit overbought on the daily chart as well, which is worth noting, and that's another good reason why this negative tone is creeping in now. 4-hour chart, well, MACD is definitely looking very negative. We are heading into some oversold territory, but again, the stochastics are still quite negative. So what can we look for on the downside? Let's put some fibs in here. There we go. So we've got some support. If we hold below the 100-day moving average, which I said is at 92.76, these previous lows here are also 92.76. So you know this break lower is significant, and we should continue down to this fib support 92.11. Who knows? We might even see that today. 50 pips away. Certainly can't rule that out. However, as I said, in the short term we are getting oversold, so just watch that 92.11 area, and let's see if that holds. We get a little bounce back, you know, at least to the 100-day moving average, and who knows, maybe even as far as 93.15 in this trend line here. But that's in the days ahead. First, we've got to see what happens if we can get to 92.11, and hopefully see a little short-term bounce off there to give us another selling opportunity around that 93.15-20 area if we're lucky. Okay, that's it for the Aussie for today. We'll have another look again tomorrow. I'm Jason Sen at daytradeideas.com.